So hello students. So now in this series of solving the numerical questions related to this related to the rotational mechanics, okay, related to the rotational mechanics, we will now solve the next question, okay students. So our next question is this, okay, suppose that a sphere is lying, okay, suppose that this is a sphere, okay, I'm drawing it for you here. Suppose that this is a sphere kind of, okay, and it's lying on the plane somewhere like this, okay students, and a force F acts on a sphere on its tangential tangential force acts on the sphere, okay students, and a tangential force which is capital F acts on the sphere, and from the center the radius is r, and the mass of the sphere is small m, okay. Now the question is that find, okay students, the question is that find the acceleration of the sphere, find the acceleration of the sphere. This sphere is basically a hollow sphere, that is, you can say that it is thin spherical shell, okay. So it is thin spherical shell, okay students. So the question is find the acceleration. We have to find the acceleration of the sphere, and it is said here that this thin spherical shell, this thin spherical shell is rolling, isn't a pure rolling, okay, means that there is no slipping, okay. So let us solve this question, students. So let us solve the question, let us solve it. So this is our solution, I'm making it a solution, okay. Now suppose that let me draw it again somewhat. Suppose that this was a sphere, okay, with different color I'm drawing. Suppose this was a sphere, and yeah, and this was a plane, okay. Okay students, and here it was force F was acting. Now I will not change color, I will fastly solve the question. And from the center distance is, this is r, okay, mass is m here. So by this we can say that, suppose that a friction force F acts between the surface at the end surface of the sphere and the surface on which the plane on which the sphere is small f, okay. So now for see, now for translation motion, the equation will become, for translation motion the equation will be basically, this will be the equation, F plus friction equals to mass into acceleration, okay. And now for rotational motion, for rotational motion the equation will be, students, basically the equation, students, basically will be this F and capital R minus small f capital R into torque equals to, what is the rotation equation? We know that rotation equation is torque into I alpha, that is angular acceleration into alpha, okay students. So this will be the here equation. We know that a thin spherical shell, about the center, if the axis is passing from a thin spherical shell, about the center, the moment of inertia will be 2 by 3 m capital R square, where m is the mass of the sphere, okay. So I is equals to 2 by 3 mr square, into alpha. And also we know that v equals to capital R into omega. If we differentiate it with time, R is constant, so dv by dt upon d omega by dt will be acceleration equals to R alpha. So we'll use this here. Okay. If we take out R and R common from here, one R will go here. So remaining will be R alpha, we will write equals to A. So 2 by 3 M into A, and this is F minus F. Okay, students, small f, sorry. So this is our second equation. Let me mark it different colors. So this is our first equation, students. This first equation, and this is our second equation. First equation is, students, from translation motion. We said that F plus small f equals to ma, and second equation is F minus small f from rotational motion. It's F minus small f equals to 2 by 3 ma. So if we add both of these equations, that is first plus second. So what the answer will come, students? Adding both the equations. When you add both the equations, the answer will be equals to, students, this will be the answer. Okay, solution. So answer will be F plus F was the translation, which is ma, and the rotation was F minus F equals to 2 by 3 ma. Okay, so if we add this, so this and this will get cancelled out. It will remain here. It will remain here 2 capital F. This will be equals to 2 by 3 plus 1 equals to, this is 5 by 3 ma. Okay, so from here we can calculate acceleration. Acceleration will be 6f by 5 upon m. Okay, because cross multiply is 3 to the 6 f by 5m. So this is, students, basically the acceleration of the sphere. Okay, so the sphere, which in the question was pure rolling, okay, will have a translatory acceleration of equals to 6 capital F by 5m, which is a required answer, students. So next question we will solve in the next lecture. Till then, bye. Stay safe. Okay, take care. So bye, students. Bye.